Hi, so this video is for the submission of the idea for Ideathon 3, which is organized by WEBL, BCC&I and the Department of Information of Technology and Electronics by Government of West Bengal under the program of Tech Incubation. Hello, my name is Annim Banerjee. I am embedded hardware design engineer. Let's talk about this idea first. Title of the idea which we want to present is SoLTiQ. Stands for Solar Powered Long Range Thermal Imaging Device. It's a product based idea for now. So why this from us? Or even in fact why this? We believe that in future environment will be more connected and regulated. Human presence will be more denser, human reach will be there with the help of technology on water bodies or in the water bodies and in space will be the new normal of tomorrow. Surveillance and monitoring activity will be the routine or say the part of life. That's what we believe in. So the applications of this idea or the device, so to speak: border surveillance and monitoring application, flora and fauna surveillance and monitoring application, biohazard and natural calamity post-event monitoring and inspection application, violence-prone to-ground security monitoring application. Talking about the technology on an abstract level for now about this idea: thermal imaging, normal camera feed, as this will be based on the first-person view drone technology template, solar powered, and this will be designed or should be designed for troposphere flight range for now. For more details about this idea, please refer to the documents submitted while our submission. Thank you.